Hi friends, welcome to your Happy Dappy. So if you are new in our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. So today we will play these play cards of capital letters. Let's join these cards with me. A. A is for aeroplane. B. B is for bus. C. C is for cup. D. D is for daddy. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for house. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for kite. L. L is for light. M. M is for moon. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for panda. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for smile. T. T is for turtle. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watch. U. V. W. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yaw. Z. Z is for zebra. Let's repeat these all letters with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.